If you work in Koreatown service industry, listen up, because your paycheck might be lying to you. Unpaid overtime, missing breaks, tips disappearing into thin air. It's not just unfair, it's illegal. Wage theft isn't some distant crime. It's happening right here in restaurants, cafes, salons, and shops across LA. Common tricks: paying less than minimum wage, not paying for all your hours, stealing tips, denying meal and rest breaks. And let's not forget the classic scam: calling you an independent contractor when you're clearly an employee. Working more than 40 hours a week? Then you're owed time and a half. That's 1.5 times your normal pay. But instead, some employers pay straight time. Or worse, nothing at all. That's illegal under California and federal law. Restaurant servers, hotel housekeepers, cleaning crews, retail workers. Yep, you're protected under California labor laws. Even if you're part-time or temporary. Document everything. Make sure you write down your start and end times. Any breaks you didn't get. Keep your pay stubs and direct deposits. And save messages with your boss. All of this stuff can really help later on. Now take that evidence to the LA Office of Wage Standards or the California Labor Commissioner. You don't need a lawyer to start, but honestly, having one can make a big difference. So got a big claim? Maybe your case is just really complicated? Or you just want to make sure your boss doesn't pull a fast one? A labor lawyer can fight for your unpaid wages, overtime, tips, and maybe even get you some penalties too. Wage theft is honestly pretty common, but it's beatable. You gotta know your rights, keep your records, and don't let your boss steal your hard-earned money. Justice really starts with knowledge. And remember, help is out there if you need it.